Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lemlist for personalized cold email campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Lemlist for personalized cold email campaigns, begin by navigating to the Lemlist website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. If you already have an account, simply select Login and enter your credentials. If you're a new user, fill in the required fields to create your account. Once your account is set up, verify your email address by checking your inbox for the confirmation email. After verification, log back into your Lemlist account. You'll be greeted by the dashboard, showcasing various tools for email campaigns. To start creating your first campaign, click on the New Campaign button. Enter a name for your campaign to easily identify it later. Next, upload your email list by clicking on the Upload button. You can import contacts from a CSV file or connect with your CRM directly. After uploading, ensure that your contacts are properly organized. Now it's time to create your email template. Select Email Templates from the dashboard menu. Click the Create New Template option to start designing your email. Use personalization tags to customize your messages for each recipient. These tags will automatically pull information from your uploaded contact list. Once your email design is complete, save the template. Head back to your campaign dashboard and select the template you just created. Next, set the sending parameters, including the time and frequency of your emails. You can also enable follow-ups for recipients who do not respond. Review all campaign settings to ensure everything is in order. Once satisfied, click the Launch Campaign button. Lemlist will process your emails and begin sending them according to your specifications. Monitor the campaign's progress through the dashboard analytics. Keep an eye on open rates, click rates, and responses. Use this data to refine your future campaigns for better engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.